If you're looking for a precision alignment pallet with a 115 mm diameter that's compatible with Erowa, you need to consider this magnificent tool. It's a reliable and cost-effective alternative to the ER-032819 for precision machining operations. The D115, its reference pallet or alignment pallet, is necessary for precise alignment of its chucks, power chuck P, and PC210 combi chucks in radial and axial positions with angular orientation. It's made of high-quality stainless steel for exceptional durability and performance in rigorous machining. The tolerance level of this product is 0.002 millimeters, ensuring precise alignment for precision machining. It also integrates with Erowa systems, saving time and improving efficiency for existing setups. This tool includes calibration and quality assurance reports, offering documented proof of precision.